Greetings. I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother, God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. I'm gratitude, I send you my gratitude. I'm peace, I send you my peace. The divine in me greets the divine in you. Before we start today's reading from the creators, I ask you kindly to make a conscious breath by imagining inhaling in through your mouth, inhaling in light, and then exhaling out darkness again through your mouth. Let's do it together. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Inhaling light, exhale out darkness. Please, I'll keep on reminding you that you don't come here to work for heaven. Your true self, your higher self sits in heaven. You were created by the divine being, so you are too divine. If you claim that your father is in heaven, it's unfortunately that most of you don't know that you have even a mother also in heaven. Have you ever asked yourself, is it possible to make a family with a man in it only, without a lady, without a woman? So that is the falsehood that the dark controllers instilled in us. But the truth, we came here to bring heaven on earth, because our true identity, that is our higher self, sits in heaven. And the only thing to do is to remember your divinity, and then that divinity manifests in the true reality of your physical world. Remember the divinity within you and discover the light that is your heritage. The reading goes like this. Beloved ones, we greet you. There are vast floors of multidimensional frames of light descending from the higher realms of this resident universe. These floors of consciousness are enabled to blend within a vast network that has been recently anchored around and throughout your earth plane. Your earth is expanding and going through an immunerous transmutation process through this shifted formation of network energy. This network energy has been created by a group of human beings and carries a unique makeup of consciousness because of the creation element of foundation that was formed at the very moment of manifestation. Through the act of corrective consciousness power of human heart, this network carries a pure vibration signature of resurrection for this time on earth. Let go and expect the unexpected. Much is about to be revealed to you as you commit to moments of alignment within your multidimensional heart. Sacred tools are about to be restored to you as you commit to align within the intelligence of your heart space. You are being called to return, to come back home to the clarity and multidimensional aspect of your higher consciousness that is accessed within your heart. One moment at a time within your heart is all that is required. The sacred network is designed to support your alignment to home. Witness the sacred form and light within the night sky. They are interacting throughout the network to bring the reflection of the mirrored consciousness back to you. This is the time to rise and meet yourself once more, to move beyond the limitation of your ego mind, illusion or stories, to claim your brilliancy and to take your place within the collective consciousness of the universal home. Now all is in hand. We witness you. We send you blessings. We are the Predenians. Namaste.